media. Yes, man.
Yeah, but that's always not quick and fast. There's this app called Cash for Apps, right? Use my link in the description. We need 2,000 uno. Please, 2,000 uno. If we can get 2,000 uno, that would have great. 5 bills, good. But 2,000, that's what we are aiming for. So use my link in the description to download the app. When you download the Cash for Apps app, use that app to download other apps and you get points. Then you can translate those points into getting gift cards. Watch the reaction video here, right yourself, to get the instructions on how to really do it. But if we can't just do this for me, please. And at the end of this video, stay tuned for the bloopers. Boom.
And you know, say dog, girl by you send me text say her man did, you know, bad man. Say her. Sorry, brother. Sorry, dog. Fuck. Good.
What up, for dog?
You see sign, Virgin?
We sign.
See sign? Stop sign, dog. As me I say still, dog. The girl text me and say her man did, the bad man, and I have to peel out in a wickedest way, dog. Jump in a car and go so wash you out of yard in a Virgin. Yo, if you did never catch me, I broke up the blood.
So Kevin, you're not moving the car, my general.
What do you mean move the car?
We there for a long time, you know, bad man.
So dog, you know, see stop sign.
Say nah, move my, it is.
See stop sign the Virgin, I stop sign that. It means that you face stop. Now that's why man like you know in the car, you know, that. Cause I go up on the road, go drive like on an idiot, you know. I know, pay attention to your road sign and your road code, you know.
Kevin, the stop sign mean.
Stop sign means say if you stop.
It mean if you stop and look left and right at the road in front of my G. You see me that?
You're an idiot, not true? No, tell me. You're an idiot? Don't. See big old stop sign. S-T-O-P, stop. That means that you face stop. You know what I mean? So you face go, it means you face stop.
That is
wait.
A stop sign, my S-T-O-P.
Virgin, you have to wait pan the stop sign for turn green.
Kevin dog.
Me nah move the car until that day turn green.
How the f is that turn green, Kevin? And the thing red already, my youth. It's a red S-T-O-P that Kevin, my youth. It's not a L-I-G-H-T.
Next thing when me drive off the car now.
Oh police, pull you over for your stop sign. Drive the car, make we go with destination now, my youth.
That's what I'm saying. No, police pull me over here.
Oh police, I gotta pull you over for your sign, dog.
Man like you always come.
Police can't pull you over for your sign, my youth. Stop. Sign.
Driver, pull over to the side of the road. Disengage the vehicle and remove the gate.
No, I f with that. You know, say I seatbelt them pull you over.
You and your big idiot friends step out one at a time.
Bump!
You have to wait for the stop sign for turn green. You have to wait for the stop sign for turn green before you drive off. Any old police pull me over here.
You mean police? L-I-G-H-T! Light! That is a S-T-O-P!
Oh yeah, blood clot go on the skin of your face and look in there for me looking at
so you not moving car? No, I think I can.
No, read what I said, you know? Okay, have a blood stain reader, that's your problem.